Hi, I'm Ian Cull, the Technical Director of the Indoor Air Quality Association, bringing you an IAQA Tech Tip on HVAC inspection and maintenance. For many heating, ventilating, and air conditioning or HVAC components, the manufacturer will recommend an inspection and maintenance schedule. Just like your car manual will recommend the frequency of changing out belts, the manufacturer of a commercial air handling unit will recommend frequency for, say, lubricating bearings. But HVAC systems are complex, with components and equipment from different manufacturers that must all work together. And just following the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance on a few specific items may cause the building operator to miss the big picture. ASHRAE and IAQA, the Air Conditioning Contractors of America, have a joint American national standard on inspecting and maintaining HVAC systems. Standard 180 is titled Standard Practice for Inspection and Maintenance of Commercial Building HVAC Systems. Commercial buildings following this standard are required to create a maintenance program. The maintenance program is designed so that the individual components and the big picture items are all adequately inspected and maintained. For example, the standard requires an annual inspection of air handling units for evidence of moisture carryover from cooling coils beyond the drain pan and make any necessary corrections or repairs. Also, on an annual basis, it requires checking the fit of the air filters and the integrity of the filter housing seal and correcting any problems discovered. As the equipment ages, even well-maintained equipment can't be expected to perform as it did when new. However, the goal is to have the HVAC system be returned to a reasonable, serviceable condition. If you work with commercial buildings, their facility managers should be aware of this standard. Encourage them to use Standard 180 to create a thorough maintenance program. If you'd like to learn more about HVAC inspection and maintenance, consider taking the one-hour class in the IAQA University titled HVAC Maintenance and Hygiene. Visit the IAQA website for more information.